Manatee season is here, and the sea cows are out, baby. And look, we all love hanging out on the water. But some of y'all out here paddling around like you're being chased by a pterodactyl. Case in point. We watched a dude today plow his kayak straight into a baby manatee. We're just gonna assume he didn't see it, or that he was vibing way too hard, or that his girlfriend roasting him had him paddling like Fred Flintstone escaping the Stone Age. But for real, that's not cool, bro. These little sea potatoes need space, time, and respect. So as you're out exploring Crystal River, keep your eyes open, steer like you've got sense, and don't be that guy we all end up talking about later. Enjoy the springs, love the manatees, and paddle responsibly. From Flying High in Florida, where yes, we filmed from above, and yes, we absolutely saw you do that.